In the current situation, most of us are looking for jobs. There could be different reasons for you being unemployed, but no interview goes without these questions about employment gaps. Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Tips with Career Views. I'm Nancy. Today I'm going to give you my 3 tips for gaining back your confidence after a job loss. Many of us lose confidence and determination after losing a job, but it's very important to stay positive and proactive during this difficult time. I'll also additionally tell you, if you're being asked certain questions, how you must answer them. Situation number 1. You lost your job during the COVID-19 pandemic due to cost cutting. So if the interviewers ask you why you are not working at the moment, you should tell them that I lost my job due to cost reduction measures being taken by the organization. You must answer them this way. As a part of cost cutting measures, I lost my job during the COVID-19 pandemic. I have been looking for a suitable opportunity to reutilize my skills and contribute to an organization. Situation number 2. You or a family member had contracted COVID-19 and you were not able to work. The company decided to let you go without paying you. In this situation, if the company asks you, why did you left your previous job? You could simply tell them, I was forced to leave my job because I got contracted with COVID-19, or my family member contracted with COVID-19 and I had to take care of the family member. Now, the important thing to note is, do not elaborate the answers when replying to employment gaps. The more you elaborate, the more the hiring managers would dig deep, which might lead to different kinds of assumptions. Situation number 3. You wanted to get out of a toxic environment and you simply put in your papers. In such a situation, you must answer them this way. My values and work style was not aligned with the management. So I decided to find a suitable opportunity where I could contribute my skills and look for a growth potential. I know employment gaps are not easy to answer, but I hope these tips and these situational answers would help you. I wish you all the best for your job search. If you have any questions, feel free to write to me in the comments. I do work with HR leaders and a lot of hiring professionals. I would be very happy to answer any of your questions. Do reach out to me by writing to me at contact@careerviews.com, or you can visit my website www.careerviews.com if you'd like to know more about my consulting services. Thank you for watching.